Ah. Time to eat? Okay. Oh, there's more Barbie there. Nalis na. New dress again? What's the new dress? Ah, okay. Oh, nice dress. What color is that? Oh, wow. You got a big furniture. Oh, there's a glasses. So you like more Barbie now, Jilana? Okay, we'll buy more Barbie then. Gusto niya yung Barbie na bus. Yung bus. Check mo sa Amazon. May, sa Target meron. Oh yeah, cute shoes. May Barbie na bus. Sa Target meron. Gilana, do you like... Ama, nag-take siya. I'll give you one. Mm. Lots of Barbie daw. Wow, you want lots of Barbie? Mm. How many Barbie? Like, what number is a lot? Oh, lots of zero and number one? Eh, only one, and then how many zero? Oh, 1 million? Yun ngayon ang trip niya na Barbie ngayon. Ito na pala yung age ng Barbie. Oh, Jilana! Can you do your hoverboard now? Your scooter, did you try it? Yung electric? Did you almost hurt yourself? Annie, my love, so sweet. No, she's a friend. She's a maid. Yeah, she's a friend. She's grandma. Bye. Okay, come back here. You left.